welcome back to WS Cube Tech. So guys, in our previous session, we learned what is right join. We learned that all the data which was in our right table and the common data was coming in front of us in our pie chart with the help of right join. Today we will be talking about equi-join. Let's understand what is equi-join. So guys, equi-join is similar to our inner join. It does the same thing that our inner join does, but only difference here between equi-join and the inner join is of the syntax. That means it will also fetch us the same details. That means common details which are there in our this table and in our this table. So let's have a look on how the syntax of equi-join looks like. Basically, equi-join uses our operator over here, our equal to operator over here, to join two tables together. That means to display the data of two tables, it uses equal to over here. And the syntax also varies a little bit. So let's have a look on how it can be done. So here I have taken the similar example like previously before. I have written down all the other things so that it won't waste our time. So I have imported my SQL. I have made the connection over here, started the cursor, and in the end we have fetched the data and executed it, while at the same time we have used a for loop to print the data. Now I will be just writing the query over here. That our query says select. Now from where do we have to select? That needs to be mentioned, that we have to select it from the student details.name and from our student fee data, that is feed. So I'll be writing student details. From our student details we need name as name, and from our student data fee data we need fee as fee. Right. After this, what do we have to do? We have to write that from where, from which tables we have to get it. So we'll be writing from student details and student fee data. So we'll be using a comma in between. And lastly, where will be used to make a equal to connection over here. That is where our equi-join would come in action. That we will be writing where. So here where clause will be used where our roll number matches with the roll number of the other table. That means where our roll number of student details. So student details dot roll number matches with the student fee data roll number. So here it is written down that select, we have to select from student details dot name as name. I'll put a comma, that we have two things over here, and student fee data, from student fee data we need the fee as fee. From where we have to get it? We have to get it from our student details and student fee data tables, and where, that means where this relation will be created. It will be created between student details dot roll number and student fee data dot roll number over here. Let's run and see what output we will get over here. So you can now clearly see that all the common data which was there in our both the tables, that means Peter, Patrick, Joey, Zina, and Peter, Patrick again. So why again they are occurring? Because it was common and it was coming again in our second table. So that's why all the common data which was there in our table number 1 and table number 2, all that data is coming over here with our equi-join. So this is how guys equi-join works. Only the major difference between equi-join and the inner join is of the syntax. So only the syntax would change over here, and the syntax is also very simple, and we just have to select. Actually it is simpler than the inner join, that we have to just select and write the field's name that we want over here. After that we just have to provide with the name of the tables, and lastly where we have to join it. We have to join it from our roll numbers from both the tables. So where student roll number is equal to student fee data roll number, there we have to join it. So that's why that detail will be given over here. So it's a very simple method over here of equi-join, and does the same thing that what inner join does. So I hope guys that equi-join is clear to you. In our next session we'll be talking about full join and self outer join. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.